Welcome back to the channel guys. In today's video we are talking about a very important as well as trending topic, that is generative AI. Generative AI is everywhere, from ChatGPT writing the code to Mid-Journey creating stunning art. But the big question is how to start learning it. In this video we are going to address it. In this video I will break down generative AI in simple terms, show you real life examples and use cases, and then give you step-by-step roadmap to start your journey with generative AI. Whether you are a student, developer or just curious about AI, it is important for everyone to know how to use generative AI and how generative AI works. So stay till the end because I will also share some free resources and project ideas. So first question is, what is generative AI? Basically, it is a type of artificial intelligence that doesn't just analyze data but creates new content. Think of it like this. Traditional AI system can tell you whether an image contains a dog or a cat by its intelligence. But generative AI can create a brand new image of a cat wearing sunglasses or riding a skateboard, even though that exact image never existed before. It works using deep learning models like transformers and diffusion model trained on massive datasets. Some real life examples are ChatGPT for text and code, Mid-Journey and Stable Diffusion for artwork, Runway Gen 2, Gemini VO3 for video generation. Basically, generative AI is the engine behind most of the today's revolution. Why should you learn generative AI? Generative AI is not just a hype, it's already changing the jobs and industry and opportunity. For developers, it is unlocking AI-powered apps and startups. For creators, designers and video editors, it is giving unlimited power to storytelling. For businesses, it is boosting productivity and automating workflows. There are also AI tools for automating the work. In short, learning generative AI today is just like learning the internet in 90s. It's a skill of the decade. Roadmap to learn generative AI. Alright then, let's get a practical hands-on. Here's a roadmap for anyone who wants to start with generative AI. Firstly, learn what machine learning is. The basic concepts like supervised learning, unsupervised learning, etc. Then step 2, learn deep learning foundation. Neural networks and its type like CNN and RNN. Start to get to know about TensorFlow or PyTorch. Do small projects like handwriting recognition. Step 3, dive into generative models like GANs, generative adversarial networks for image generation. VAE, variational autoencoders, is for creative data synthesis. Transformers, it is the backbone of ChatGPT and LLMs. Click on the I button if you want to develop an AI chatbot using transformers. We have created a step-by-step tutorial video for it. The link is in I button. Hands-on with pre-trained model, like we have used Hugging Face in that video. Use Hugging Face for text, image and also audio models. Try Stable Diffusions for image generation. Experiment with LangChain for building AI chatbots. Build your own mini project like we have shown in that video. Do check that out. Stay updated with the latest technology. Follow the AI communities on Hugging Face, Reddit and Twitter. Read research papers like Transformer, Diffusion and GAN. Contribute to open source AI project. You can get some open source projects from GitHub and you can check out some research papers too. Let's get to the bonus part of this video. Here are some free resources to kickstart your learning. Fast AI course for deep learning. This is a free AI course where you can learn about AI from the basic to advanced. And if you start today, you can build the skills that companies, startups and even creators will demand tomorrow. Remember, don't just consume AI, create with AI. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel and drop AI project you want to build next. Do comment. See you in the next video guys. Thanks for watching.